Hey girls, welcome back to my channel. In this day I am gonna share you how to get pink lips naturally in just 30 days. Let's get started. Number 1. Lip Scrub. Scrub remove dead skin cells, revealing smoother, softer lips and improving the absorption of moisturize. Use at first sugar, then use some honey syrup mixed and last use Vaseline. Mix all together. Ready your lip scrub. Number 2. Lip balm. It helps to moisturize and prevent dryness, chapping and cracking. Lip balm creates a barrier against external elements like wine and sun. Peel the skin of dragon fruit, then slice and grind dragon fruit. Next, use the fruit juice and apply coconut oil or butter. Mix it, use a small container, wash it at last, cool this smooth paste and ready your natural lip balm. Try it. Number 3. Natural lipstick. Homemade lipstick can also be more moisturizing and nourishing for your lips, using like butter and oil that help keep them soft and hydrated. Use roses and rosebuds create the perfect lipstick. When rose petals are dried, then crushed petal, then boil it, then apply lemon acid and baking soda. Next, almond oil and shea butter melt together. Enrich with vitamin E and use scent of essential oil. Use rose powder, then ready your natural lipstick. Try these tricks. Subscribe for more video.